Corsair's MP700 PRO SE 2TB solid-state drive delivers truly next-generation performance, with sequential transfers that are among the fastest available to consumers today. By using a PCIe 5.0x4 connection and an NVMe 2.0 controller, it moves massive game installs and creative workloads with remarkable ease. The included active air cooler is more than cosmetic, helping the drive sustain high speeds under long, heavy workloads instead of dropping performance due to heat. Its compact M.2 2280 design makes installation straightforward on modern Intel and AMD motherboards that support the latest storage standards. High-density three-dimensional triple-level cell flash gives this drive an appealing blend of raw speed, endurance, and long-term reliability for daily use and demanding tasks. With endurance rated in the multiple thousands of terabytes written and a long warranty, it is a reassuring choice for users who hammer their storage with frequent large file transfers.